Hey, bud.
Got a flat tire. You can help me?
Okay, I'll get.
In the early morning hours of March 15th, 2024, New Mexico State Police Officer Hare parked his patrol car behind a seemingly broken-down vehicle to provide assistance. But what he did not know was that the driver inside this BMW, 33-year-old Jeremy Smith, had just committed a series of major crimes 1,500 miles away in South Carolina, where he not only kidnapped a paramedic named Phoenicia Machado IV at gunpoint, but also stole her car and then brutally murdered her. This was not the first time Smith had committed a crime, as he had an extensive criminal record including armed robbery, burglary, hostage-taking, prison rioting, and shooting at others from within a vehicle. And at this point, 48 hours had passed since his most recent crime, but authorities had still not tracked him down, let alone realize that Smith had driven the victim's car and fled to New Mexico.
Hey, bud.
Got a flat tire. You can help me?
What are you needing?
Just a tire. I need a ride to the store. You get me there.
Okay, I can get you back to town real quick, but nobody's open tonight.
Well, that's fine. I can get to town. I just haven't come back to get the car.
Okay, go ahead and go to the front of my car real quick. I'll meet you up there real quick. I'll get.
Before Officer could even finish speaking, Smith directly pulled out a gun and carried out an ambush, after which he pushed Officer into the passenger seat and continued to flee along the interstate in the patrol car, during which time he even intentionally turned up the music on the radio.